Today we're diving into the GameSir Tarantula Pro, a gaming controller creating serious buzz amongst PC and mobile gamers. I'll be testing it on Android phone and 2 Minisforum gaming PCs, focusing on its performance, build quality and overall usability. So is it worth adding to your setup? Buckle up, hit subscribe and let's dive in. Inside the box you get the Tarantula Pro controller itself, a manual, a GameSir sticker, a charging dock and a 1 meter USB-C cable. If you go for the charging station edition like this one, you get a clear stand that props up the controller. It's a bit flimsy but functional for a slight price bump. The Tarantula Pro channels a DualShock 4 style design with symmetrical thumbsticks, a familiar layout for PlayStation fans. It's slightly heavier than typical controllers, which lends it a premium solid feel, while the tactile buttons provide responsive feedback with minimal wobble. However, the camo patterns feels a bit dated and the grip could be more sweat resistant for longer sessions. A highlight here is the magnetic TMR thumbsticks, delivering drift-free precision that's perfect for competitive play. The back buttons are customizable with a lock-in feature to avoid accidental presses. A cool touch is the transparent right side window showing off the gear mechanism that enables physical remapping between PC, Android with an Xbox style layout and Switch formats. The layout shifts are highlighted by a white light for Switch and colorful lights for other platforms, all activated with a simple button combo. Connectivity is straightforward, supporting both Bluetooth and wired USB options. Pairing with an Android phone is quick. Just hold the Home and A buttons for 2 seconds and select the Tarantula from the Bluetooth list. Switching to the Nintendo Switch is just as easy. Press and hold the Home and Y buttons to change the button layout. To switch to PC mode for the Atomman X70i, hold the Home and B buttons and choose it from the list. Performance is solid with minimal input lag in demanding titles like Forza Horizon 5, and the TMR sticks are precise. The controller feels responsive and has better wireless range than my Xbox controller, though the symmetrical layout might require some adjustment for those used to Xbox. When connecting to my new Atomman G70i gaming PC. By the way, stay tuned for the review. Resetting the Bluetooth is simple, just press the small button on the front. Overall, the TMR sticks provide excellent precision, especially in subtle movements. If you need to reset, a small pinhole reset button is available, just use a SIM card ejector. Overall, it's a solid cross-platform controller that combines impressive performance with a good comfort, ideal for those who want versatility without the premium price tag.
Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.